Blessed Traders, Pedro here with another video, and I just want to welcome you guys. If you're new to the channel, guys, make sure you guys subscribe below.
You got it, dude.
And hit that notification bell so you get notified every single time we're live. With that being said, guys, we are live every single day, Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you're looking to take your trading to new levels, you come to the right place, guys. So make sure you guys join the family, and I look forward to seeing you guys inside. So with that being said, I want to show you this amazing trade that we took on xauusd, and I'm super excited to show you guys. So make sure you guys stick to the very end of this video, because I'm going to show you exactly how we were able to catch over 100 pips in less than 2 hours.
Look at us. Hey, look at us.
Look at us. Huh? Who would have thought?
Not me.
So with that being said, guys, let's dive in. All right, guys, so we're taking a look at xauusd. So basically, as you guys could see, price went exactly as predicted, and we had pretty much no drawdown at all. A 12 pip stop, believe that or not. In one of our first take profits, we had basically panned out here. We had it at 44 pips. That was kind of our first target, TP1, and we had our TP2 at these lows over here, which was 117 pips. Obviously, price didn't go all the way down there. We were at pretty much almost at 91 pips profit. As long as you understand kind of the overall direction of the market, the probabilities of being able to catch trades like this are much more greater if you're able to understand how to scope out these opportunities that the market is going to give us. So kind of let's narrow this down as to how I would approach this trade setup and how I was able to see this, guys. So I'm going to show you guys, so make sure you guys stick to the very end of this video. I'm going to show you exactly how we were able to catch this trade. So let's continue on, guys. Main thing that I was looking at first, before anything, first and foremost, is looking at the overall direction of the market on the higher time frames. We always want to make sure, where are we in the markets right now? Are in the higher time frames? Are we trending upwards? Are we trending downwards? Are we trending sideways? Are we consolidating? Are we ranging? Same thing. You know what I mean? Where are we in the markets? Once we understand the overall direction, then we can start narrowing it down from the top to down analysis, and that's kind of the way I like to look at the markets, and that's how I'm able to catch these trades. So anyways, let's continue on, guys. Also, guys, just an FYI, if you have any questions, guys, don't be shy and let me know in the comments. I do read all the comments, guys, so I appreciate you guys. And for those of you that are just joining in, guys, consider subscribing if you're looking to take your trading to new levels, or maybe you're just tired of losing trades or blowing your account, guys. If you're tired of doing that, guys, you've come to the right place. So make sure you stick around, guys, to the end of this video, because I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to profit and catch a trade like this. So let's continue on. So we're at the daily. We're looking at what the overall direction has been to the downside, guys. So we're looking for sell setups at this point. I narrowed it down on the 4 hour, and basically what I saw was, okay, I'm seeing price kind of bearish here. Obviously we expect pullbacks within strong movements like this, right? And so what I was looking at was, okay, we got a strong momentum push. We're going to expect some sort of a pullback, which is kind of what we got. We had that strong momentum to the push to the downside. We held this level of support. Price came back up, and it started to kind of form a resistance at this level structure. So I highlighted that level structure on the 4 hour, by the way, and I knew that this was kind of an area that was quite significant. That price in the past had respected this area. You can see that we had some resistance here, and even if we go down further to the left hand side, you'll be able to see that it was an area of significance. You can see where price is right now currently, and obviously it was an area where there was previous support, resistance, and so on. So let's go back and look at where we were. So let's go back to the 4 hour. Let's kind of narrow it down here closer to what we were looking at. Let's see what we saw. So I knew that when price came to this level of structure, you know, basically price had to react, you know what I mean, break above this level of structure or pull back down. But since I knew that we were looking downwards trend, I knew that we were looking for sells. Obviously you can always get on counter trend trades, but you always trade with caution, right? So we knew that we were at this level of structure, and so I knew that we were in a seller's market basically right now. So we were looking at price potentially rejecting this level of structure. So I narrowed it down to the 1 hour, and this is where I got much more clarity in this trade on xauusd, guys. So pay attention, pay very close attention, guys, to what I saw here. So on the 1 hour, we saw that rejection. Not only that, when I saw price create this candle here, this engulfing bearish candle on the 1 hour time frame, that to me was a strong indication that, hey, you know what, the overall sentiment here, we are getting rejection of this level highs, the structure level, and this is a major structure level on the 4 hour time frame. So this is just the 1 hour time frame, but on the 4 hour, this is quite significant. significant. So price is reacting to this level and rejecting it. It's failing to break above the ceiling. So indication number one, higher time frame, we are at a major level of structure of resistance, and we just rejected it right now, and that candle closed bearish on the 1 hour time frame. So then I narrowed it down to the 30-minute, and this is where we start getting a little bit more specific. So not only this, we saw that bearish sentiment push here on this candle close on the 1 hour. We got a rejection of this major level of structure, but when price was trending back up here, you can see that price was creating what? This is a low, this is a higher low, this is a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and basically at this point price was starting to lose its momentum. It barely created a new higher high, and it was at that major level structure. What happened? We now failed to create a new higher low. We created the first lower low. Okay, so we broke this trend line, and you can see I have that line marked off there, and you can see that I marked this major level of structure here. So price pierced below this previous support, and it became a future resistance. When I saw price piercing below this level of structure in the morning, I was like, okay, I'm gonna wait for price to pull back on AUD/USD, and I want to see heavy rejections. I want to see price struggle to push above that resistance level, that previous support level, as now a future resistance. I want to see price reject that level of structure. And so what did we end up seeing, guys? We saw that rejection, and then I said, okay, let's wait for a retest. Let's go down to the 15-minute. And what happened, guys? We got a double top on the 15-minute. That's when I saw price rejecting. I saw those wick candle rejection. I said, guys, we got to get in here. This is a perfect opportunity. We set our stops, guys. This was a perfect risk reward ratio trade. We had a 12-pit stop. Our TP1, to be honest with you, was only at this level here, where we took pretty much our profits at this point, which was about 49 pips. The TP2 was well below over here. Obviously price didn't go all the way down there, but that was my next target level where I was looking for price to go down to. So a great example, guys. Look at how price failed to create a new higher low, right? So that to me was that indication number two of like, hey, we just broke this level of structure, which was a higher low. And so that was something really important to understand, that hey, we had that strong momentum push, we had that pullback or retest of this structure now, which was a previous support, and now we created some sort of a double top formation on the 15. Even if we went up to like the 30-minute or 1 hour, we still saw the same break and retest level pattern formation. So we respected this level of structure, and then after that, the rest was history, guys. You saw how price absolutely melted in our favor exactly at that level. And it's funny enough, you see how price kind of paused and stalled at this level of structure here, because I knew that in the past, if we look on the left hand side, this was also an area of significance. So this is an area where price would potentially react. It's always important to mark our key levels as well too, guys, because this is how we're able to kind of just figure out where price could potentially go, either if it's going up or down, but where it could react to, right? Because we can't just base it off of, hey, I'm going to pull a fib and the fib's saying 0.618 here, and that's where price is going to go to. No, gotta be very careful with that, guys. Not necessarily. It's not always going to be like that. And obviously, you know, sometimes price will pierce below a support level, and it is what it is, right? Price just doesn't hold that level of support, and that's fine. Or resistance, right? Sometimes the price is very bearish and it'll pierce through below, or sometimes it's super bullish and it'll just slice through a major key level, right? So that can happen, but what we're talking about is really important to understand kind of where price could potentially be going. Amazing trade setup. We were able to catch over. I took profits at 44 pips, but it was pretty much our TP1 was at about 49 pips, so 50 pips, and price ended up going in our favor about 91 pips total, guys. Less than 2 hours, guys. Literally in less than 2 hours, we were able to profit. If you would have done a full lot here at this point, we've been looking at about $900 profit, guys. You know, 2 full lots, you're looking at $1,800 in less than 2 hours, guys. So amazing trade setup on AUD/USD. Just a great example, guys, of how you could take advantage of the markets, how you can look at the overall picture, how, you know, we're looking at major structure levels here, guys. We're looking at basic market structure and how we could take advantage of the markets, guys. So yeah, super excited, guys, for this coming week. And so yeah, if you haven't joined family, guys, make sure you guys subscribe below. We do live streams every single day, Monday to Friday at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, guys. So if you haven't joined, guys, you guys are missing out. I'm telling you, lots of great content, lots of great value, guys. I look forward to seeing you guys join the family. Also, guys, make sure you guys join our free Telegram group. We have an awesome Telegram group in the video description below, so make sure you guys click the link to join our Telegram. Also do have a VIP channel in our Telegram, or Blessed Traders Academy. It's mainly focused, guys, specialized. It's not a signals channel. It's mainly focused on people that are looking to really take their trading to new levels, and people that are really looking to understand trading and actually, you know, take trading like full time. You know what I mean? If this is what you want to do, then I recommend, you know, if you're looking to get down serious 100% in trading, then I recommend you guys to join the VIP. It's not really for everyone. It's really for people that are really trying to, you know, you're tired of losing trades. You're really tired of, you know, blowing your accounts or whatever it is. And you really just generally want to learn. You want to know, you want that support and stuff like that. Then that's what we have our VIP as well too, guys. So feel free to join our VIP. The link is below to join. And right now I have a sale price at $69, which is absolutely nothing for the value that you get. So make sure you guys click that link below as well too, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. Really appreciate you guys, and I will catch you guys until next time. Bye for now.